Welcome back to the channel. My name's Chad. I'm your tall tailor, and no sewing in this video today. I'm actually going to show you guys some of the items I picked up recently from like trips or just trips to the thrift store. And yeah, I'll just show you what I think about them. I have accumulated all this stuff in a matter of a month. It's all been from now, so June when I'm filming this, to January. I think I did get one thing last year, but mostly recent stuff I've gotten within like the 6-month period of making this video. Okay, first up, I'm going to go over all the pants I got, and the first pair are the first pair is this pair of Edwin Jeans from their Japanese jeans made in Tokyo. I stumbled upon these in the thrift store. I was actually looking for a pair of jeans to make a patchwork crust punk denim type of pants, which I did find those. They're these diesel jeans, so I ended up finding those. But while I was looking for these, I found these Edwin Jeans. Really nice wash on them. They're like a medium blue. I'll show some B-roll on body so you guys can kind of see what they look like. Pretty cool. They have like some cool designs on them, like these watch pockets here at an angle, a double button on the front. They fit really well. They kind of fit like an oval, which is a unique fit to me. They say that they're like a, what do they say? A wide art slim fit. So yeah, that's what that is. Cool. Next up are a pair of high-waisted jeans by the brand Quater. Never heard of these pants, but they look really cool. They're high-waisted. They're a lighter medium blue. Triple stitching on pretty much all the seams, the inseam and the outseam as well too. One of the things that I really like about these pants is they have double back pockets. So you can see the back pockets here. There's one on the top and one at the bottom, and this really big like Quater jeans patch, which I think is kind of cool. These ones fit really well. None of these pants I got, by the way, I had to alter, which I find amazing because I'm like kind of like tall, like a little bit slimmer. So it's amazing I didn't have to alter any of these things. I really like the way that these pants fit. They also have two kind of like secret pockets on them. One's on the outseam of the left leg and one is on the inseam of the right leg. So I think that's kind of cool. Got these. All right, the last of the pants. I didn't find it at the thrift store actually. I found from a TikTok creator, Nunchuck Nabe. Really dope pants. I don't usually buy stuff off TikTok or like online or whatever, but these ones are super dope. They really spoke to me. They're called like Katella Pants. They're literally like a quilt, but pants. I think they're based off like Russian or like Eastern European prison garments, I think. I don't know the whole lore behind the pants, but they're really cool. They got these side adjusters on them where you can wear them without a belt. But the thing I really like about them is that they're super, super warm. I think I got these in November or something of last year, and I used to wear them all the time because yeah, they're really, really warm. I don't gotta wear like long johns or whatever underneath them, and they're really long. They're a 38 inseam by a 32 waist, so they're just a tiny bit too long for me. I put them in the washer actually when I washed them because I was thinking about altering them, making them a little bit shorter, but when I put them in the wash, they shrank a little bit, and they actually fit like so much better now that they shrank, so I don't need to alter them at all. Yeah, definitely not gonna be wearing these in the summer or else my legs will catch on fire, but in the fall, winter time, dope. They're kind of like a gray, like a washed out gray or like a plum kind of color. I really like these, and that's the pants. The pants are finished. Let's go on the jackets, and these two jackets I actually got on my recent trip to New York. First time going there, it was really cool. Kind of smelly, not gonna lie, but if you look past that, really dope city, really cool people. First thing I got is a denim jacket. I don't know what brand it is, but I'll show you guys what the logo looks like. I got this for like 20 bucks US, which is like, I don't know, like $1 million Canadian or whatever. This one fits a lot baggier and bigger than the one I already have. I have like a Levi's. I don't know what type of denim jacket is, but it's a little bit more like slim fit. Not my vibe, but this one fits a lot better. I like it. Pretty plain. Nothing too crazy about the jacket, but I just like the way it fits and I like how it looks. A cool jacket, can wear like in the fall or whatever, just like throw it on, not too complicated. All right, last jacket I got was this leather jacket. It's by a brand called Joshua Ross. I've not heard about it before, but nonetheless, really dope jacket. It's kind of faded, especially on the sleeves, but that's fine. I'll just get some black leather lotion and just like kind of like try to revive it a little bit. Fits really well. It's semi-cropped, a little bit bigger in the body. I really like the fit of this. It's got this small little interior pocket that I probably will not use. It's just a simple black leather jacket. Again, probably not gonna wear this in the summer, but I like the fit of it anyway, so I just got it. All right, the last thing I got for my trip to New York was some fabric. I went to Mood Fabrics, really large fabric stores. I think it's the biggest fabric store I've been to. They don't have super large ones in Toronto and stuff like that, but it was huge. I had a whole bunch of fabric. I didn't really need to get anything specific for a project I'm working on, but I just got some French terry. Maybe I'll make like a hoodie sample or something in the future. But yeah, it was cool going to the fabric store, checking out all the stuff, talking to people, talking to some of the employees there. Pretty cool, pretty dope. That's it. Got some fabric. And next, I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff I got from my trip to Vietnam. lastly, in the beginning of the year, I went to Vietnam for about 3 or so weeks. Really great trip. It's actually very similar to the Caribbean climate, obviously, and architecture and flora, really similar. Really enjoyed my trip. I definitely want to go again. But some of the stuff I only got 2 things. First thing was this t-shirt from a brand, never heard this brand either, called Reminder. Yeah, Reminder. It's like a spider web type shirt. I'll show you guys some b-roll about what it looks like on body. It says size large, but it's a little snug, but I like how it fits. It's a cool design. And yeah, I was just walking through like I think it was like a pop-up boutique or something like that for streetwear, and this one caught my eye. It kind of looked like spray painted. Kind of reminds me of like, you know, like Miles Morales, like Spider-Man movie, how he like spray paints his suit. That's what kind of reminded me of. So I ended up getting it, and yeah, it fits well. I like the design, and yeah, I'll probably wear it. I don't even think I wore it yet actually. It's been in the plastic I've been actually waiting to do this video, take it out of the plastic. I need to wear it, but I just didn't get around to doing that. Last thing I got on my trip to Vietnam, I actually got a custom suit. Just a regular black suit, nothing too crazy. It's actually the 3rd like active suit I have right now. I have a cocoa chocolate brown one. Really cool. It's got like a 70s style to it, so it's pretty like flared, especially in the pants. The second one is like a pretty simple slate medium gray suit, and now I have a black one. I'll show you guys some more b-roll of that one, how it looks. Really nice suit. I like how it fits. The guy measured like my body and stuff like that. One thing about it though, the pants are a little bit too long. That's literally like the best issue that I sew, so that's not even an issue. So I'll whenever I get around to it, I'll just make the pants like shorter. It's 3 pieces, so it's got like a jacket, a vest, and pants. And yeah, it's just always good to have a black suit because you never know when you gotta go to, I don't know, a black suit event or something. But yeah, I like how it fits. We've got to pick the fabric too in the lining. I think I picked like a cashmere blend type fabric, I think. It was a couple months ago, so I don't exactly remember, but I think it was like a cashmere or something fabric. So it's really soft, really nice, good material. It's kind of like a medium weight fabric as well. Yeah, I just like the way it fits. It's a suit, not a lot of explanations. You guys know what a suit looks like. And yeah, that's it. That's all the stuff I got recently. I might do another one of these if I end up getting like some other stuff in the future, like thrift or anything like that. But that's it for now. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Next video, I will be sewing for sure. So yeah, I'll be sewing in the next video. Okay. All right, thank you. Bye. What's the last thing? Oh yeah. All right. Some like B-reel. B-reel. I'll show some B-roll.